In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily chat with someone in WhatsApp without saving their phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up any web browser and then at that search bar just enter wa.me, then / and then phone number of a person whom you want to contact with. After that, hit go, and then it will show you that pop-up which says open this page in WhatsApp. If you hit at open, you will be taken to WhatsApp application, and that's how you can easily contact a person by their phone number without saving that phone number to your contacts. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.